Imagine building one of the world's biggest entertainment empires, only to have it all come crashing down in a storm of legal battles and broken trust. This is the story of Hype, K-pop's powerhouse, its charismatic founder Bang Si-hyuk, and the scandal that started with a simple but devastating promise that the company would never go public. In early 2019, Min Hee-jin was quoted by Bang Si-hyuk to join Hybe as a top executive. During their talks, Bang made a clear promise Hybe had no plans to IPO. Instead, Min was encouraged to accept a cash signing bonus rather than stock options. Fast forward just over a year, and Hybe shocked the world by going public in a record breaking IPO. Why did Bang make that promise in the first place? And what happened behind the scenes in those months leading up to the IPO? Behind closed doors, the reality was much different. While Bang told Min and other insiders there was no IPO plan, a private equity fund connected to Bang's allies quietly began buying shares in Hybe at bargain prices, all while the company ramped up its public offering preparations. Hybe had started important IPO steps as early as September 2019, applying for a special designated audit, a necessary prerequisite for going public. But for many investors and staff, this was kept a secret. Investors trusted Bang's word, selling their shares cheaply, believing the company would remain private. When Hype went public in October 2020, the stock price surged dramatically. Those early investors who cashed out missed out on massive gains. Meanwhile, the private equity fund and eventually Banksy Hugh reportedly made tens of millions in hidden profits. Legal experts allege these profits came from secret agreements not disclosed to the public or regulators, effectively sidelining fair market rules. By 2024, the scandal exploded into the open. Regulators launched criminal investigations into allegations that Bang and Hype engaged in fraudulent trading and non disclosure of critical information. Min Hee Jin, who resigned from her CEO position at Hype subsidiary Adore in late 2024, became a central figure, publicly confirming Bang's earlier denial of IPO plans. Her testimony is now key evidence in ongoing legal battles. This case is more than a financial scandal. It raises hard questions about transparency, corporate governance, and ethics at the heart of one of Asia's most influential entertainment companies. For Bang Si-hyuk, once celebrated as the visionary behind BTS's global phenomenon, the stakes could not be higher. In September 2025, Bang Si-hyuk appeared before South Korean police for official questioning. Hype insists it operated within legal boundaries, but investigators remain deeply skeptical. The fallout extends beyond boardrooms. It impacts fans, employees, and the entire culture around K pop's explosive global rise. This story is far from over. As courts continue to dissect the tangled web of promises and profits, one thing is clear: the Hype IPO controversy is a cautionary tale about trust, power, and the price of secrecy in the modern entertainment industry. What happens next will shape the future of K pop business and perhaps public offerings everywhere. For those following this from the start, share your thoughts below. How should companies balance ambition and transparency? And what does this mean for the fans who gave their loyalty?